Next, example 1. Example 1. See the question. If a point C minus 1 2 divides internally the line segment joining internally the line segment joining A to 5 and B in the ratio 3:4. Find the coordinate of B. This is the question. That is, they have given a line segment AB. Coordinate of A is given 2 5, and there is a point C, and that coordinate of C is minus 1 2, and this line is divided in the ratio how much? In the ratio 3:4. This is 3 part, means this is 4 part. AC is to BC is equal to 3:4. Solution. Let the coordinate of B be xy. I have taken the coordinate of this as xy. Here x m is equal to how much? M is equal to ratio 3, n is equal to 4, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 5, and coordinate of B I have taken as x and y. So x2 is equal to x and y2 is equal to y. Alright. Sometimes what happens is they have given the ratio here like this. They have given you ratio. This is extra explaining. See, they have given here m is to n, m is to n is equal to 3:4. That is AC by BC is equal to 3/4. This implies, sometimes without giving the ratio they may give like this also, AC by BC is equal to 3/4 instead of giving this. Or sometimes they may give you AC is equal to 3/4 BC. Or sometimes they may give you, question can be placed, BC is equal to how much? BC is equal to 4/3 AC. So it may be placed in different ways. This ratio can be placed in different ways. Now, so we were doing here, we got the value of this one. Now coordinate of x. Now coordinate of C, that is xy is equal to our formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1. This is our formula. Now let's put the values here. Let's put the value. This is equal to, value is equal to, we have already taken m is equal to how much? 3, x2 is equal to x plus n is equal to 4, x1 is equal to how much? x1 is equal to 2 by m plus n, 3 plus 4, comma, m is equal to how much? M is equal to how much? 3, y2 is equal to how much? Y plus n is equal to how much? 4, y1 is equal to how much? 5 by 3 plus 4. And here x, y. This is the coordinate of xy. This is equal to 3x plus 8 by 7 and 3y plus 20 by 7. So what is the coordinate of C is how much? Coordinate of C is 1, 2. Sorry, this is not xy, 1, 2. Minus 1 and 2. So this is minus 1, 2 is equal to this much. Now we will equate. Therefore 3x plus 8 by 7 is equal to, this is x part, so this is minus 1, and 3y plus 20 by 7 is equal to 2. Thus we have equated this x part and y part and y part. This implies 3x plus 8 is equal to minus 7, 3x is equal to minus 15, therefore x is equal to minus 5. And from here again 3y plus 20 is equal to 14, 3y is equal to minus 6, therefore y is equal to minus 2. Hence the coordinate of B is minus 5 minus 2. Thus we got the coordinate of B. Next example number 2. See? Example number 2, what it is? Example number 2 is given like this. If A minus 2 minus 1, B A 0, C 4 minus 4B, and D how much it is? 1 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram, Find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. A and B. Solution. Before that, I will draw a diagram. This is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. This is minus 2, minus 1. This is A0. This is 4B. This is 1, 2. And these are the diagonals I have drawn. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at a point, bisect each other, not intersect, bisect each other. That is, if I put OA is equal to OC and DO is equal to BO. For both the line segment, both the diagonal, the midpoint is O. Now, solution. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. For both the diagonals, midpoint is same, they will be equal. So this implies, see, midpoint of AC. This one is minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4 by 2, minus 2 plus 4 by 2, minus 1 plus B, minus 1 plus B by 2 is equal to midpoint of BD, 1 plus A by 2, 1 plus A by 2, comma 2 plus 0 by 2, 2 plus 0 by 2. This implies 2 by 2 minus 1 plus B by 2 is equal to 1 plus A by 2, 2 by 2. This implies 1 minus 1 plus b by 2 is equal to 1 plus a by 2, 1. Thus we have seen that this ordered pair, this first part is equal to this one and second part is equal to second part. First part is equal to first part and second part is equal to second part. Value of x is equal to value of x and value of y is equal to value of y. Thus equating the equation we have, see, this is equal to this, that is 1 plus a by 2 is equal to 1. This implies 1 plus a is equal to 2. This implies a is equal to 1 and minus 1 plus b by 2 is equal to 1. This implies minus 1 plus b is equal to 2. This implies b is equal to 3. Hence a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. This is what we got the value. This is example 2. This is what we got, example 2. Next, example 3. Let's take example 3. Example number 3. Question is as follow. Find the coordinate of the point. Example 4. Example 3. Find the coordinate of the points which trisect the line segment joining 1, minus 2 and minus 3, 4. So they have given a line segment, A and B. A value is given 1, minus 2 and B value is given minus 3, 4. And they are talking about the trisecting. Trisecting means dividing this line segment into two equal parts. Suppose this is point P and this is point Q. Now see, this part is equal to this part is equal to this part. So this is having three parts. Trisects P and Q are trisecting these lines. I am assuming that the coordinate of P is xy and coordinate of Q is AB. And now the ratio of the coordinate P, the ratio of the line segment, the ratio of the lines at P is equal to, this is one part and this is two part, 1:2. And also the ratio at Q is equal to how much? This is 1 plus 1, 2:1. 2:1. Now then this implies for this line at P, m is to n is equal to 1:2 and at Q m is to n is equal to 2:1. Now we will find out coordinate of P is equal to this coordinate. We will find out xy is equal to how much we will find out. So we have seen the formula already. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1 This is equal to putting the values from this. See? M1 is equal to how much? 1. X2 is equal to how much? X2 is equal to minus 3 plus N is equal to how much? 2. X1 is equal to how much? 1 by M plus N is equal to 1 plus 2. Next, M is equal to how much? 1 into Y2 is equal to how much? 4 plus N is equal to 2 into Y1 is equal to how much? Minus 2 by 1 plus 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus 2 by 3, 4 minus 4 by 3. This is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is 0. Therefore, the coordinate of P, therefore xy is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3 and 0. This is the coordinate of this one. Next, we will find out the coordinate of Q. Coordinate of Q is equal to, directly I am putting the same formula and same process. This is mx2 plus nx1 by 2 plus 1 and my2 plus ny1 by 2 plus 1. This is equal to 2 into minus 3, sorry, I will put at a time, minus 6 plus 1 by 3, 8 minus 2 by 3. This is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is 6 by 3 is 2. Therefore, coordinate of Q is equal to what I have taken? AB was taken. So AB is equal to minus 5 by 2 and 2. So the coordinate of P and Q, thus we got it. Suppose sometimes what happens is they may ask you to find out the coordinate of a line segment. Just one example I am saying. A and B is given, the coordinate of these two is given. You may ask P, Q, R divided into 4 parts. Then coordinate of P will be how much? M is coordinate of P will be, sorry, ratio of the, this will be, ratio will be, that is AP by PB is equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 is to 2. First one, P, coordinate of P. P will be M is to N is equal to 1 is to 2. Coordinate of Q will be how much? This side is 2, this side is 2. So M is to N is equal to 2 is to 2. Coordinate of R will be M is to N is equal to 1, 2, 3 is to, this is 1. So when it is divided into 4 parts, then the coordinate of P will be 1 is to, the ratio at the point will be M is to N is equal to 1 is to 2, Q will be 2 is to 2 and R will be 3 is to 1. That way you can find out if they are asking is a trisect, if 4 times division means you can find out like this. Next I want to tell you, if you are asked to find out the area of a rhombus, if you are asked to find out the area of a rhombus, then this is the formula half into product of the diagonals. That means what? You have to find out the length of the 2 diagonals. This suppose is a rhombus, these diagonals, these coordinates, 2 coordinates are given. You have to find out this length and you have to find out this length A, B, C, D. You have to find out AC is equal to how much, BD is equal to how much by using distance formula, and then you put here, multiply them, you will get the area of the rhombus.